Good morning, guys. Let's get into our reading lesson. Alright, today we are going to talk about synonyms. Can you guys say synonym? It's kind of hard to say, isn't it? It sounds like cinnamon, doesn't it? But it's the word synonym. And we're going to learn about what a synonym is today and how we can use them. So what is a synonym? A synonym is a word, and it has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. So what that means is it's some words that can mean the same thing. Let's look at a few examples to see what we mean by that. Like the words angry and mad. They're synonyms because they almost have the same meaning. Like if you're angry with your sister for eating your lollipop and you're mad at your sister for eating your lollipop, isn't that the same thing if you're angry and mad? Yeah, so angry and mad are synonyms because even though they're different words, they mean almost the same thing. Let's look at another one. Garbage and trash are synonyms because garbage and trash are the same thing. If your mom asks you to take out the garbage or she asks you to take out the trash, she's telling you to take out the same thing, isn't she? Yeah, so garbage and trash are synonyms. Let's look at another one. Small and tiny are synonyms. Like if you see a small ant or you see a tiny ant. Oh, sorry, I've got the yawns. If you see a small ant or a tiny ant, they mean the same thing, don't they? So that makes them synonyms because small and tiny mean almost the same thing. And one more. Oh, evil and bad. Yeah, like the Wicked Witch was evil or the Wicked Witch was bad. That would be the same thing because they mean almost the same thing. And that makes them synonyms. Let's practice this just a little bit more. Alright, it says some words have more than one synonym, which means like the word big. Can you think of some words that mean big? Like you could say, look at that big tree, or look at that big mountain, or I have a big pencil. Oh, I'm sorry guys, there's another yawn. I'm sorry. Alright, anyway, we're looking for words that that mean the same thing as big. So, can you think instead of saying, look at that big tree, what could I say? Oh, yeah. Instead of saying, look at that big mountain, what could I say instead of big? Good, yeah. Here are some that they thought of. And I bet there's some of the ones you thought of. I bet you thought of huge. Yeah, you could say, look at that huge mountain instead of that big mountain. Giant. Yeah, I saw a giant elephant instead of a big elephant. Enormous. Ginormous. Good. Yeah, those both mean big. Colossal is another good word for big. Did you see the colossal dinosaur? Humongous. Yeah, these are big words. Large, of course, and immense. And immense means the same thing as big. They're synonyms. Did you see the immense wave that took out the sandcastle? Yeah, it just means big. So these are all synonyms that can go with big. Like they said, some words can have more than one. Some words may only have one. But a lot of words will have more than one synonym, like these ones do. Alright, so here's the part where I'm going to get you all to help, okay? Hello? My goodness, I'm sorry guys, I'm yawning. I know it's early in the morning for you guys, but I'm making this video pretty late at night. So I think I'm going to go to bed after I get done with this video. Maybe I'll quit yawning. Okay, let's get back to our synonyms. Here's the part of the video where you guys are going to have to help, okay? So we have some words, and we have words down here in the box. What it wants us to do is match them up to try to find the synonym that means the same thing as the other word, okay? Yeah. So let's practice a few of these, and then a few of these you guys are going to do on your own as practice, okay? Okay, so I'm going to help you with a few of these. What's this word? Yep, baby. So we're looking for the word down here that can mean the same thing as baby. I mean, I know it's not hat. A hat and a baby? No. Baby and untrue, right? Untrue. Well, no, I don't think baby and untrue mean the same thing. What's this word? I see infant. Oh, I've heard of like infant clothes, and maybe I've heard somebody say, oh, well, they just had an infant. Yeah, an infant is another word for baby. All right, I bet we won't have...
You're a rock star.
Makes a noise when we get it right. Cool. All right, so what about hat and cap? Yeah, we know a hat and a cap are the same.
Way to go!
What about, we only have one left, so I'm guessing, what is this word here? False. Good, false. And untrue. Yeah, like when something's false, it's also untrue.
Oh, yeah!
Let's try a few more. Alright, so we've got words up here and words down here. We've got to match them up, okay? I'm going to let you try this one. You see which ones go which where, and then restart the video to see if you're right, okay? You can write them on a piece of paper or your whiteboard or whatever you have. Alright, so this first word, what is this first word? Good, chef. It kind of looks like chef, but it's chef. So a chef. Do we know what word goes with chef? Oh yeah, chef is somebody that makes food, right? So would a shack make food? No. Would an answer make food? No. But a cook makes food.
You're a winner.
Good job, guys. Alright, so what's this word? Good, hut. And would a hut be the same as a shack or an answer? Do you know what a hut is? Yeah, a hut is just like a very small house. So is a shack a very small house or an answer a very small house? Good. Huts and shacks are very small houses.
You rock, you rock, you rock.
We did good on that one. Yeah, a hut and a shack would be synonyms because they mean the same. A hut's a small house, a shack's a small house. And so I guess that means I have to put answer, and what's this word that goes with answer? I see reply. This is the word reply. It kind of looks like it'd be reply, but it's reply. And yeah, when you reply to somebody, you answer them.
You got it right. You got it right.
I like that one. So yeah, you could answer your mom if she asks you a question, or you can reply to your mom. They mean the same thing. All right. We are at the part where we would play a game, but I'm going to save it for tomorrow, okay? So you're going to practice with some synonyms in just a second on your work. And tomorrow maybe we'll play walk the plank, okay? I'm not going to promise it, but we might play the game walk the plank and make the pirate walk the plank. Do you want to do that? Okay. We'll try it tomorrow, okay? But you're going to practice synonyms and show me you know what they are. And remember, synonyms are just words that mean the same. Just like reply and answer, and hut and shack, and chef and cook, they mean the same thing. Baby and infant, and cap and hat, and false and untrue, they mean the same thing. And all these words that meant big and evil and bad, those synonyms, and small and tiny, those are synonyms. Garbage and trash, angry and mad, they just mean the same thing, don't they? All right, well, good luck on your work then.